Yeah, it's not spring, but some health leaders in Washington have fall on their minds. You see, they're trying to determine whether a COVID shot should be required before students attend school next year. Our Lisa Balick live now with what health leaders are discussing in a meeting about this very issue today. Lisa?
Yeah, in Washington, there was a health group that got together and they've been having several meetings trying to decide if they're going to recommend that all students, with some exemptions, of course, being able to have a COVID shot being a requirement for next year. Here in Oregon, though, we are not headed in that direction.
To make a recommendation to the Board of Health.
Washington is relying on a group of state health advisors to decide whether to recommend the State Board of Health require all students K through 12 get a COVID shot to attend school next fall. The committee has 9 guidelines to consider, such as will it help reduce risk of transmission, is it safe, and has a, quote, acceptable level of side effects. The committee is listening to testimony and reviewing data before it will vote yes or no as a recommendation to the State Board of Health. One of the issues they're struggling with is the timing. If there's not a decision made soon, there would not be enough time to get a requirement in place by fall.
Is there enough information that we could make a decision now, even if it was a tentative one, rather than waiting until or delaying implementation for another year?
Several cities and school districts around the country are requiring student COVID shots, but only a few states have put that requirement in effect for students in K through 12 starting the next school year. In fact, there are at least 17 states that have outright banned making a COVID shot a requirement. I checked with the Oregon Health Authority. They tell me Oregon is not considering a COVID shot requirement for students. One for teachers and other staff, though, went into effect last fall. One question decision makers are wrestling with is whether COVID is here to stay, and would a required vaccine be removed if not needed.
Yes, there are examples where we have taken something away. Yes, there are examples where we've not done because we didn't feel that it applied to the population we're dealing with.
If it's a yes recommendation and the Washington Board of Health makes a final decision to approve a COVID shot requirement, there would be several exemptions allowed. Now, one big issue in all this that everyone is wrestling with around the country is what is it going to look like several months from now? In the fall, when kids go back into school, will it be this current variant? Will it be something else? That's a big issue, and that's why there have not been a lot of decisions made just yet. Back to you.